Okay, today we'll be looking at addition and subtraction formula. So we normally use these formulas if we are asked to find the sine, cosine, or tangent of non-special angles. So we have the first one as for sine. We have that sine A plus B, that's for addition, that is equal to sine A cos B. Since we have plus here, we add cos A sine B. Do you get? So sine cos plus cos sine. So if you have negative subtraction, you have to subtract. So it's very important. That's the first one. For cosine, so we'll start with cos. You see it, cos A cos B. Since we have positive here, we negate. Or if you have negative, we add. So sine. So always check the difference. Sine is always sine cos sine, but cos is cos sine. If it's positive, negative. If it's negative, positive. Y for tan is always equal to tan A if it's positive here, plus tan B over 1 minus, once it's positive here, negative, the product of tan A and tan B. So if it's negative, this turns to positive, while this turns to negative. So that's it. So see where we use it. Example, if you're asked to find sine 75 degrees, if you look at this, 75 degrees is not a special angle, but it has a combination of two special angles. Because as you can see, if you split this, we should know that A and B are special angles. So that's why we use this formula. So 75, you now find two special angles that will combine to give us 75, either by addition or subtraction. So I'll prefer 45 and 30. So 75 is 30 plus 45. So we can now use this. My A is 30 and my B is 45. So we'll split it as sine 30 cos 45 plus cos 30 sine 45. So now we know that sine 30 is half times cos 45 is root 2 over 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 over 2, and sine 45 is also root 2 over 2. So 1 times root 2 is root 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Root 3 times root 2 is root 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So that's the answer. So, okay. Let's look at another question. Maybe if you're asked to find cos 105, you now find two special angles that will give us 105. You can easily see that it's 60 and 45. So 45 plus 60. So using our formula, we have that it cos 45 cos 60. Remember, I told you if it's positive, as you can see, if it's positive, you use negative. So I will use negative here. So this is negative sine 45 sine 60. So know that cos 45 is root 2 over 2 from our table. Times cos 60 is half. Minus sine 45 is root 2 over 2. Times sine 60 is root 3 over 2. So open up root 2 times 1 is root 2 over 4 minus root 2 times root 3 is root 6 over 4. So that's our answer. So that's it. Okay, maybe let's solve for tan. If you ask to find tan, maybe tan 15. As you can see, tan 15 is 15 is 45 minus 30. So let's use 45 minus 30. So just find any two special angle that will give us that 15. That's the one you given. So either by addition or subtraction. So and we know that using our term formula. So we are using negative. We use positive and negative here. So go back. So we'll have tan 45 minus 10 30 over. Since it's negative here, it's positive tan 45 tan 30. And we know tan 45 is 1. 1 minus tan 30 is root 3 over 3 over 1 plus 1 times root 3 over 3. So which is LCM 3 minus root 3 over. So this is 1 plus root 3 over 3. So which is, that's 1 plus, this times this is root 3 over 3. So let's get the LCM. 3 and 1, so we have 3 plus root 3. So as you can see, this divided by this we have is 3 minus root 3 over 3 plus root 3. And we can rationalize. Do you remember? Removing the radical sign from the denominator, rationalization. So we multiply by the conjugate of this, and the conjugate is 3 minus root 3 over 3 minus root 3. So this is now 3 minus root 3 is all squared, because this and these are the same. Why this is difference of 2 squared? 3 is 3 here, root 3 root, so negative positive, so we have 3 squared minus root 3 squared. So expanding this, to expand 3 squared is 3, 3 squared is 9, root 3 squared is 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, minus 2 times 3 is 6, so 6 root 3 over 9 minus 3 is 6. So our final answer is 2 minus root 3. So that's how we use this special formula, the addition and subtraction formula. Thank you.